Hey, what's up guys? Everybody shows how good this SeeSii impact wrench is at removing lug nuts. So I want to do something a little different. I wanted to go ahead and test exactly how powerful it was. So I went and grabbed an 8-inch lag bolt and ran it through some 5x5 landscape timber. And I couldn't believe the results. What I did was I grabbed the lag bolt. I didn't drill any holes in it. I just grabbed it and ran it straight down through one of the 5x5 timbers until it came out of the bottom about a couple inches. Then what I did was back it out, stack the timber on another 5x5 timber, and ran it the rest of the way through. So this thing buried a full 8-inch lag bolt into stacked 5x5 timbers, and I couldn't believe it. And the crazy thing about it is that was all on the low power. So this has 3 different power options, so low, medium, high. My goal was to show you how much it would take to stall out at low power, but I couldn't do it. I didn't have anything big enough to actually even stall it out at the low power. So it did all of that, and it still has enough power that I didn't even need to test it. So that was really crazy to me. So what it comes with is 2 batteries and a charger, and then it comes with a little carrying case that has different size sockets in it, and then there's another baggie that has some other different pieces in it, like it has pins to hold the sockets on. I didn't put the pin in when I was doing the testing. I just went straight for it, but you know, it did cause the sockets to fall off a couple times. So use the pin and the washer rings that it comes with for that. It also comes with a belt loop holder. I didn't have that on at the time either. Just go ahead and use the screw that it comes with and screw that on there. And then what else is really cool is that all of the things that it comes with fits really nice and neat inside of a hard case, so it's easy to pack up and carry around with you. I absolutely think this thing is crazy powerful and think it's good for anybody who would be working on doing landscaping and maybe building decks, working on trucks and trailers, anything that requires a bunch of force, a bunch of power. I definitely think this is something that you should check out. It's super easy to just carry in the case and take along with you whatever your job is without having to worry about compressors. And then all of that stuff that I did, I had a full battery charge, but it only took it down about 25%. Definitely think it's good for anybody who needs a lot of strength while they're out working.